How to add multiple accounts in Zoho Mail. In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple accounts in Zoho Mail. So to get started, go ahead and open Zoho Mail into your device. Sign into your account and then click on your profile icon at the top right of your screen. So under that, you'll be able to find My Account. So click on My Account and then from here, go ahead and scroll down, and under that you'll be able to find your email addresses. So in here, click on add email address and then go ahead and enter that specific account information that you want to add to your Zoho Mail. So you need to enter that into the section and then click on add to successfully add that to the accounts that you have on your Zoho Mail. And that after that, you can go ahead and switch between your two accounts, and that is how you can basically add multiple accounts in Zoho Mail. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.